Let's make a Lotería card using Canva. These are step-by-step instructions on how you can use Canva to make it. First, open a Canva, create a new design, set the dimensions that you like. I like 8.5 by 11. Once it opens, you're gonna add an element. And here I looked around for a rectangle and finally set on this one. After you have your rectangle, you're gonna go to add another element, go to gallery and select the picture that you like to use. I chose this one because I love me on my hammock. After you do this, you're gonna keep the picture selected and then you're gonna go down at the bottom and select effects. You're gonna slide all the way to the right and select Prisma. All the photo effects are gonna pop up. I chose tiramisu because it gave me the best features on my photo. This was done, then the effects is going to stay open. You're going to go all the way to the left and select background remover. This is going to remove the background from your photo, which makes it able to now be a Lotería photo. This process takes a little bit, or at least on my phone, but you can do it on your phone, your computer, or your iPad. I resized my photo, cropped it a little bit, moved it around to where I really liked it. And at this point, I decided I didn't really like the rectangle in the back. So I went back to elements and searched textured rectangle or rectangle textured and scrolled up to see a couple of different options. And I finally found that yellow and orange one. So I'm using that one now. I am now resizing it, moving it around, resizing my photo. Play around with the dimensions up until you get whatever you like. The next thing I did is I pressed the plus to add text. I like number 10, so I'm using number 10. Now I'm going to put it at the top, and then I'm going to change the color by scrolling on the bottom and select color, and I'm changing it to white. After you're done changing the color, look at the bottom and change the font. After you're done with the font, you're going to keep the number selected and go to effects. I like the shadow effect because it gives it a little bit more depth on my number and my text. Keep the 10 selected and duplicate, and now move it to the bottom, and this is where you're gonna type whatever text you want under your picture. Manipulate it so that the text is on one line, and now we're gonna add a frame to the image. For this, I selected the square in the back or rectangle, duplicated it, and then now I'm changing the color. I also moved it to the back. I am just going to choose black because this is going to frame my picture well. If you'd like me to share this template, comment below and I'll post the link. Let me know what you think.